Hi there guys, it's Narendil here. Today we're going to be looking at the present tense, first, second and third conjugations, specifically the A and B subclass endings. So in order to explain what all of that means, let's just jump straight in. All verbs belong to the first, second or third conjugation, or they're irregular. In the first, second and third conjugations, these are split up into a number of different subclasses, specifically 8. But today we're going to be looking at the A and B subclasses. The difference between the A and the B subclasses is that while they're generally under the umbrella of the first conjugation, they have some differences within some of their tenses, which are important to get the endings correct. So, if we compare arav, the verb to create, with fereav, the verb to kill, you'll see that the endings for the infinitive and first person singular for the 1A conjugation are av and as. However, for the 1B conjugation, they are eav and eas. Otherwise, all of the endings are the same between the 1A and the 1B conjugations. So this is an example of a difference between the subclasses. There are also C subclass endings, but we'll be looking at those in the next video because they are far more complicated. So if we start by looking at the A endings, you'll see that arav, the verb to create, goes like aras, arave, are, arason, aravon, areso. Compare this to the second conjugation endings for kobiv, the verb to feel. Kobis, kobive, kobe, kobeson, kobevon, kobiso. Neither the first nor the second conjugation within the A subclass have any overlapping endings. The same is true when you introduce the third conjugation A subclass. Daruth, darus, daruve, daroe, daruson, darovon, daroso. So now we can look at the B subclass. The 1B subclass, as we've already seen, for fereav, to kill, only has an infinitive and a first singular that are different from the 1A conjugation. Fereav, fereas, ferave, fere, ferason, feravon, fereso. The 2B conjugation also has an infinitive and first person singular that are different, but it also has a first plural and a second plural that are different. So verev, veres, verive, vere, verison, verivon, veriso. The same thing is true of the 3B. Soriov, sorios, sorove, soroe, soruson, soruvon, soroso. And that's everything for the present tense conjugations for the first, second and third conjugations in the A and B subclasses. Next time we'll be looking at first, second and third conjugations in the C subclass. And oh, what a joy that will be. See you soon.